everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca and today I have my top 5 favorite cleaning products. All of the products that I'm going to be mentioning throughout this video are going to be linked down below just in case you are interested. So let's go ahead and get started. The first product is this Method Glass and Surface Cleaner, and this is in the mint scent, and you can use this for counters, tiles, granites, mirrors, and windows. I was cleaning my bedroom the other day and I was using this on my furniture to like wipe off the dust and on my mirrors and windows, and there's just something when you walk into your bedroom or your house in general and it smells like mint. It's just so relaxing. Another Method cleaning product that I really love is this anti-bac all-purpose cleaner. It says it kills 99.9% of germs, and I love using this whenever I'm cooking like raw chicken or meat. I spray this all over my countertops and even my stove, and it does a really great job with like cleaning all the grease off and everything. And you can even use this on your chairs, on your doorknobs, garbage cans, countertops, and kitchen surfaces. And whenever somebody's sick, I spray this everywhere, like everywhere, and it does a really great job. The next product is the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaning spray. This one is in the basil scent. I love this. This is plant-based, which is great, and I usually use this on my desk area, and for some reason the basil scent just makes you think better. It is also really relaxing smell. They have various scents and they also have like hand lotions and stuff like that, but I really do love this spray and I use it every single day, or even when I'm doing like my makeup, I just like spray my desk really quickly and I clean it off, and it does an awesome job. If you were to ask me what are my 2 favorite cleaning product brands, I would definitely say Mrs. Meyer's and Method. I don't know why, but I guess it's just the variety of scents that they have. This is what I use to clean my floors. It does a really great job. It does not leave like any streaks or anything. It gets down all the grime. If anything falls on the floor whenever I'm cooking, this does a really great job at picking it up. This is the Fabuloso, and you can honestly use this for many other things as well. You can use it to clean your stove. You can use it to clean your sink, or I don't know, like it just removes so many stains, and I love this. It also has different scents that they come in, and this one is probably one of my favorites along with the other blue one. I just got this one this time because it is a bigger bottle, but they do have even like gallon sized ones, which is great and lasts a really long time. The last product that I have right here is for your dishes. This is the Dawn soap in the Refreshing Rain scent, and I love this. I have used so many dish soaps before and none of them have really done the great job like this one does. Now, I don't have a dishwasher, so I do wash a lot of dishes throughout the day by hand, and the only thing that I do have to say about this one is that it does dry out your hands a lot, so I do constantly need to be putting on hand lotion throughout the day just to keep my hands moisturized. But other than that, I really do love this product a lot. That is not it. Don't leave yet. Now, for an added bonus, I do have these paper towels, and I use these every single time that I am cleaning. I really like these because they are pretty long, and what you can use them for is like just in case if anything spills, or like whenever you're cooking and you need to clean down your countertops or wipe off the dust off furniture, just use one of these, use it really quickly, and then you just basically throw it away. That way you won't have to be wasting your paper towels. These are really handy and come in at great times. Alright, that is all for my video. Please leave me a comment down below telling me what is your favorite product, and don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.